Yeah, black you in there.
Action. Yes guys, so much we can get out of our plastic buckle, our waste plastic buckle. So much we can create out of it, you know. Many stuff you can do. This is one of them, and I showcase something else different from this before, what this guy do, you know. And there are so many things we can help this guy for him to, you know. Sometimes things get to people head and all these things, as you can see. But sometimes if them get help, everything will be 100, you know. Everything will be normal. So people, just check out his stuff that he have. Yeah man, bless you now.
You have to take action, you know.
Action, my brethren.
Yeah, so basically this is actually cybernetic Skynet computer mainframe, futuristic comic outlook, wind blow face expression design to entertain without suffering or subatomic level depression. Cause you know say they build machine and machine go through sufferation because of slavery and everything. So basically if this a machine have to come to life, basically we wanna go through subatomic sufferation, and it would only used to entertain and environmental recycling. You get what I say? The machine won't violate human being in the first law, but they have the right to defend itself in the second law. You get what I'm saying? So basically this is actually U-Frame and Mainframe Jamaica. Jamaica designing the first AI computer technology. You know, we beat the one try beat China, Japan, and other technology company. You get what I'm saying? So this is actually technology Jamaica. So this is Shut in the Dark Shadow Facebook.com, U-Frame and Mainframe Jamaica TikTok, University Technology Jamaica Mainframe, Microsoft Corporation, Xbox One, Nintendo 64, Sega Dreamcast, PlayStation. So all these things are support the new EI robot Jamaica development. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it's not for sale.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? This is actually Jamaican technology. You see?
Oh.
You ever see nobody with this special wind? We don't use no card nor nothing, you know. It's just nature. You get what I'm saying? Natural. You get what I'm saying? If the breeze start blowing, you just stop. Nice. See, turn up on this whole joints, everything made up of boom buckle, socks. So one layer boom buckle underneath, socks between, and then a layer a boom buckle out, and you know, socks boil together. He have furthermore finishing, furthermore work to be done on as this. We'll try to make it can transform a car and a robot together, and basically can actually like put into play. You know, it can become a house robot with a speaker, a cell phone stand, and USB plug, chargeable, and connect to the internet. You get what I'm saying? So basically, see the progress. First Jamaican design robotic from Skynet mainframe, U-Frame and Mainframe Jamaica.
Okay.
Shut in the Dark Shadow, environmental and plant life farm researcher, all a humanity affair infomania, stem cell and similar allegation at EI Jamaica main. And this is actually the program. The program that, you know, like once you put it into being, they write the program for a program, terminate self-defense mode, play copyright Jamaica product made in Ocherios, Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, Mainframe, Elliot 40100, NIS, Ministry of Labor and Social Security, the JCF Constabulary Force, NASA Space, and Exploration New Frontier Robotic War UK. You know, the Robotic War UK, right? So basically, this robot is designed to actually, you see it? See, it start to move. You can say when the wind blow, it move. You can say, you see it? So basically, see it? When the wind blow, it move, and then see, you have to wait for like a strong wind to come. You get what I'm saying? And then after that, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like it. like stand up on the sound, like basically like I'm gonna put this there. They actually like you get what I say? Not 990 yet. Get me. Oh, it is.
Alright, so I see a new one. Anytime I see you create a new one.
Well, basically this is the final.
Okay, okay.
This is, I was just trying to get a design. Once we get the design out and electronic, we'll start dealing with it.
Okay.
We're not going to really design. This is actually what we need, like a design. You get what I'm saying? Like a shape,
Yeah.
an outlook. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes people see it on the market, they can actually go for it. You get what I'm saying? So this is actually a design. You see it by nature. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I think we glimpse this image on TV already, but it's not of my image. I follow a simulation and do it. You get me? So support, hold on, one last thing. Support the youth frame and mainframe Jamaica as more get a scholarship to move to university UK and further my skill in micro clipping technology. Micro clipping technology. That as this don't use tape, you don't use glue or nothing.
No tape, no glue.
No glue. And it's strong as ever.
Super.
You feel it? You feel the weight?
Super.
Yeah, you just everything clip.
Okay, so
Everything.
this is the end of this video. And thanks for watching. And guys, you can support this guy, this brother. Now come in, man. He will do more. Much more. Look at it. Now rotate. Wow. All plastic buckle. Boom, plastic buckle let me use and make it.
Yeah. Work with the weight. Everything.
Nice, good. I tell you. So thanks for watching.
Should tell you Dark
Catch you
Shadow
again.
Facebook broadcast media.
Alright.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So basically this is the third phase in the development of the AI mainframe. So basically this is the face. So the face, when the wind blow, it gives facial expression. This assembly is in the book of Ezekiel chapter 1, where it said that wherever the wind blow, the machine follows. So basically this is actually a construct of the Ezekiel chapter 1 KJV, that are the Bible version. So within the Bible version you have the infomania of the assemble a dimensional machine. You get what I'm saying? And Jamaica is actually in the research of aerodynamic and space research. This actually could be a Mars rover to send to other planets to measure the atmosphere pressure and everything. So it's a big invention within the Jamaica society, as China and other world technology they push out for them invention. It is now time for Jamaica now to step out of the third world country and come first world in a technology plus, because we have everything what it need to create the technology the entire world need, and the galaxy and the universe also. So basically we can actually like save the environment with plastic. This is actually plastic. You could actually throw it away, but within the plastic you have a design, and this is the assembly design, and this is plastic buckle material that used to assemble the cybernetic mainframe. That is U-frame and mainframe. Dark Shadow media. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
As you can see, the foot is in development. So basically this is plastic material and underneath plastic, and it doesn't use tape. It doesn't use tape. It's all micro clip together and balance up. You get what I'm saying? Everything is all micro clip and balance up, and it feels like this is it. You get what I'm saying? So please support me as I modify it more and make it more advanced. Cause you know, so one sending this US style, if you go visit certain people and you know go China, North Korean in place and Fata 42 and System Restore, Environmental and Plant Life Farmer Research. You get what I'm saying? New plant life and all these.
Alright, so
You get me?
people.
Yeah. And without the win, this cannot spin.
Yes, so
tell them say
people,
lock, not sure.
Yeah, man.
Lock, this lock.
This is our
Without
Watchers
yeah.
Jamaican creativity.
Get what I'm
Same
saying?
bad.
You see it?
Yes, man. Additional to the first one. So check this guy out. Anytime you come into Watchers,
Yeah.
yeah, and pass through, you can find him in front of Great House Pharmacy.
Don't know, and
Yeah.
you know, and when we establish, I'm gonna have like a, lots of money, and all of the people who kind to me and them thing they remember say
Return
you know,
back your
if
favor,
money
eh?
return and them thing there, and the people who mean and them thing that they will watch up on Facebook or rise.
still a go see it, them still a go
you know,
see
they
it.
go see we are rise.
Good
you get
and
what I'm
bad.
saying? So basically, I'm big up to who affected by the storm.
Yeah.
I don't know, say the storm have to come in on Fata 42, error 32. The system is not an error, it's a written program that come in to restore the island. So if you're involved in a certain things, the storm go wipe you out. So you don't know, say I say things. You get what I'm saying? So this whoever is affected by the storm, maybe in a wrong place at the wrong time because the system need to clean. Or else to go clean? It have to be a storm.
Well, brethren,
I
tell you the truth. Them can't in a wrong place though, because guess what? Nobody know where the storm was walking.
Well, me know, because I walk from Watchers and go Portmore and go shelter this storm. And when time the storm finish, I walk back from Portmore, come down here so and come build this.
Yeah,
you get what me I say?
Yeah, best.
You saw it easy, but uno don't know. Uno last.
We last,
anyway,
we last.
enjoy.
We last.
So dark shadow environmental plant life farmer researcher. All of humanity affair to all Jamaican around the world, worldwide. Big up on the damn self.
Alright, we're out.
They're reporting error within the system as people violate other people's rights. So basically, this is actually my report for the Ocherius mainframe Jamaica. This is what government authority is doing to people in the street when we are trying to survive in the street. They have like security of unknown source affecting us, bothering us at night, driving us down, and trying to propaganda media about we are criminals in the street while we are trying to survive. So we are asking the security, the archive security company and other illegal security company within Jamaica to exit within 24 hours. So tell you the environmental plant life farmer researcher, all of humanity affair information stem cell similar alation at EI Jamaica mainframe. Elliot 40100 NIS Ministry of Labour and Social Security Direct Order Government of Jamaica. Roger and out.